Fuck no, dude. It's warm. Who said it was cold?
You did.
No, I didn't.
But you're saying my brakes are fucking...
Yeah. The first couple stops usually on brakes, they're a little bit awkward until you get a little temperature and, you know, get them up.
Well, I adjusted it down too. That's what I'm tripping on.
Oh, that's gonna make a total... Are you stopping for gas?
I don't think I need to.
She's fucking on a good one, dude. Hey, where'd you get that cone?
Oh god, dude, don't. That's that looks like problematic to me.
Yeah, baby. I'm gonna go split some traffic right now with these bags on. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, my fucking visor is up. Shit. It is warm, dude.
Yeah, it's really warm. It's almost kind of a waste to hit the parking lot.
Yeah, I want to go ride roads. Let's go ride roads. I don't even know why we're trying to sit in this traffic.
Gotta practice shit.
Fucking burr shit. You can practice on those twisties.
It's like fucking rush hour, so even in the back roads, there's gonna be
Yeah.
a whole load of crap. I don't know, we could, I guess. You want to? Yeah, let's do it, I guess.
Can you make a U-turn?
I need to start practicing more, like, you know, actual, like, speed skills a little bit more. So...
Can you make a U-turn right here? No, let's just go. We're gonna get a green light right now.
Yeah, we'll just take a right. Take a immediate right.
Yeah.
I kind of want to, like, go to that spot where that chicane kind of thing is and hit that over and over again.
Whatever's clever. Ah, sounds rad. No more cabooses ever again.
Hmm?
I said no more cabooses ever again. Damn, that fool's got a lot of stickers on his shit. He's even got them on the goddamn windshield too. Drinking the game fuel.
This clutch is just big time. This clutch might be slipping a little.
Nah. You can drop back if you want so we can hit these corners. That's what I always do. If I'm not gonna pass, I drop back. Fucking sometimes I stop, dude. I do. There's a car behind us, but whatever. Oh, they turned already. They turned. You could fucking stop if you want, dude.
Stop?
Yeah, just chill.
Like
There's no cars coming still. I got you, dude.
Shit.
Nice.
Jesus. That was a little too exciting, to be honest with you.
That was max wrist style.
Well, it's just like I sucked my landing up really good.
This is the corner we stopped and took pics.
Took pictures here?
Kevin and I did.
Oh.
See, slowing down like that allows you some corners.
I just don't trust these street fucking conditions, you know what I mean? Like,
It's good.
it was nasty stuff.
Yeah. Oh, that truck's there. Oh,
Every single
we
corner,
can't.
there's always gonna be a car.
Can't wait. Just chill. This is really good here.
Check my park sales.
Did you come down a little hard or what?
Huh?
Did you come down a little hard?
Yeah, both times.
They look pretty high from here, dude.
Yeah, it's pretty high.
Trying to hit that 12 o'clock, huh?
You want to go left?
Right.
You want to fucking go left?
Right.
Yeah, I know you want to go right, but
oh, we can go.
Left.
We can go this way if you want. We can try it out.
I used to go right a lot, but I think that I can't really remember what's down that way.
Yuck. It smells like tar or something. Whew. Hot asphalt.
Ooh,
There's always gravel on this turn. Always.
Fucking raining.
What? Oh yeah, I just got a drop. Not supposed to be raining. I just washed my bike. Ooh, smells like somebody farted.
Oh my gosh.
Everywhere on the road, dude. Just try to stay out of the middle. Stuff. Like some.
It just might end badly.
Probably because we had all that wind. Blew a bunch of stuff on the road, like back there. That wasn't gravel, that was like debris from the tris.
It was like, yeah, it almost looked like wood chips or leaves or something.
Go, go, go. Oh, go straight too. I think with Marcos before I went straight, but I don't do that way much. It's good this way to the left.
You want to go straight?
We could try it. See what the fuck.
It looks like a dead end or something.
No. It says Highland 4.5 miles. Might be some new territory. Let's do it. I want to use these quarters. Is there a gas attendant here?
Who cares? We're legally allowed to pump our own gas.
I have quarters, dude. The machine doesn't take quarters.
I have to go inside.
Oh, this is the guy right here.
Fill out my NRS paperwork.
So awesome just counting my change and being able to fill my bike up. Just drive for days off the change in my drawer.
That sounds funny.
I have money. I don't have a card. I have $5 here. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm definitely not going to be
Oh, I want this one, yeah.
paying my gas bill with this fucking
Thanks.
pocket change. It's like $10 every time I fucking stop.